Race car! Where's Tanner? Today's work of the day is the Cobalt, not mine. Race car. Race car! So what we got here, Lauren?
Piece of shit.
Sounds like race car. I think you got a leak.
A little bit. A little bit. My unique wiring system.
Should we cut the cat off too?
Yeah.
Oh, might as well make a TikTok video out of it.
I just left. Side by side, more or less, pull them out.
Side by side.
Yeah, more or less.
Nice. Alright, so we got a new pipe from AutoZone. I don't have a 2-inch. So we're gonna cut it down and slip it over just like that. Ran out of wire. Got it welded up, right, Lauren?
Oh, yeah.
Got the sleeve on, got rid of the flange. That's gone. Fixed the hanger that was broken. Another hanger that was broken. We're not going to worry about that. We're not going to worry about that or carpet. We're good. We're good. All right, Lauren, fix the fab. We're done. All right, Racer Man, let's see how loud this thing is now. It'd be funny if it was louder. Something else blows out.
Possibility.
Is it running? I think it needs to be louder. No, not the same. Race car!